Hey guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove your trunk latch actuator in case it's broken or for whatever reason. So open your trunk. If you can open your trunk like that, you can always lift, tilt your rear seats down, and you can pull this lever. Now we're gonna need flathead and we're gonna need 10mm. So step number one, we're gonna need to remove clips. 4 clips, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can remove all of them. I did just 4. So remove the clip, disconnect the connector from your latch, just like that. Super simple. Press here and just remove that. And now 2 bolts, 1 and 2. 10mm. 1, 2. Oops. The latch is removed. Now you're gonna need to open the back cover on top right here. As you can see, just lift it up, open it, remove the cable holder. That's it. This is your trunk latch, as you can see. Okay, now put everything back just like that. Put everything back. 2 10mm bolts, and both of them are down. No, one of them is here. So I'm gonna use my drill to install it back. And the second bolt here, connect your connector back and make sure it's locking. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.